Another quick and easy dish, just a roast chicken, and I'm just going to fill it up with my lemongrass, ginger, and garlic. First things first, we're going to crack this oven for 180 degrees. For my aromatics, I'm just gonna crush the lemongrass, my frozen lemongrass. I always freeze it. And my ginger, it's still frozen, so I'm just gonna wait for a little while. Now I'm going ahead with my garlic. Go straight ahead with our chicken and just stuffed our crushed lemongrass, all of it. And I'm gonna slice lemon as well. They'll be packed of flavor. So I just have 2 slices of lemon and I just have it. Yeah, that's the shit. Now with my ginger, I just quickly wash it or rinse it. Maybe 4 slices is enough. Go straight to our chicken. Now we're going to make the rub for the skin, which is maybe just a rosemary and salt. Just got my fresh rosemary from the garden, so I'm just going to finely chop that. Add my oil and salt and garlic powder maybe, and that'll be the rub for the chicken. Put my rosemary in a bowl and I'll mix this with salt, garlic, and oil. Oil about maybe a tablespoon and salt. I think I want some color, so I'm just going to add this amaretto powder. You can add smoked paprika or just sweet paprika or turmeric, just to add extra color for your chicken or whatever meat you're roasting or cooking. Alright, we are rubbing our chicken with a rub. The legs, the wings, the back as well. And that's ready to go in the oven. Before I put my chicken on the rack, I'm just going to spray it with oil so that it won't stick. Now, off you go to the rack. This chicken is not very big, so I can roast this for an hour, and I guess we'll see you at the table.